Yes. But the process for a tankless unit is different and needs the right setup and steps to avoid damage or warranty problems. First, turn off the gas or power and close the cold water supply and hot water isolation valves so the unit is fully isolated. Locate the service ports on the isolation valves and attach braided hoses from a tankless flush kit, one to the cold side for the pump and one to the hot side for the return. Place the pump in a bucket with 2 to 3 gallons of water and add a tankless safe descaler solution, such as food-grade citric acid or a manufacturer-approved cleaner. Then connect the return hose to the bucket so you have a loop. Open the service ports, power the pump, and circulate the solution through the heat exchanger for 40 to 60 minutes, longer if your water is very hard or the unit has never been serviced. After the descaling cycle, shut off the pump, close the service ports, disconnect the hoses, drain the bucket, then run plain water through the unit for 5 to 10 minutes using the pump to flush out any remaining solution. Finally, clean or replace the inlet water filter screen, reopen the main valves, restore power or gas, and run hot water to confirm stable flow and temperature. Do this once per year in soft water areas and twice per year in hard water areas. The first mistake is trying to flush through household valves without proper isolation valves and service ports, which can push descaler into the home piping and leave scale in the unit. Add a tankless isolation valve kit and use the ports every time. The second mistake is using vinegar or a random chemical not approved by the manufacturer, which can underperform or harm seals. Use a tankless specific descaler and follow the concentration the manual recommends. The third mistake is skipping the inlet filter and not rinsing long enough, which leaves grit and cleaner in the heat exchanger and triggers flow errors. Pull and clean the screen and do a clear water rinse for several minutes until the water runs clean. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy for homeowners to find nearby contractors who understand tankless maintenance, and for contractors to get matched with real jobs without extra hoops. We also host a discussion community where we share how-to guides, talk through tricky service steps, and help each other troubleshoot tankless care.